Just dicked her. She's supposed to be up here. But
Supposed to be
not.
up there? She's down here.
Down there. She's supposed to be above my head. Think there's a problem here. Whoopsies. Fucking quicksand.
It's good all the way up to here. Like, he can walk on this stuff, no problem. He can probably drive the Mini.
Problem is, it's like, it's mud.
Don't know what to say. The 200 is gonna have a workout here, I think.
Oh my god.
Well,
I don't even know.
that thing's useless. Say goodbye to it. We'll just bury the rest of her. Why not? Call the insurance. It's a lawn ornament.
Yeah.